Nikki-Dee. My name is Sailor and I'm 10 years old. I would like to know what is the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning.
Well, Sailor, I am glad you asked. A watch versus warning. You know, think about it. The names look very, very similar, so don't be embarrassed if you get them confused. But hopefully after today, T. Copeland and myself will make it a little bit easier to remember, because these two simple words could actually end up saving your life. So we're gonna learn about a watch versus warning, baking a cake. So when we bake a cake, if you're not Betty Crocker, you need a little help. So you get a cake mix, you need eggs, you need water, and you need oil. Now, that's kind of like the same thing when it comes to the environment. We need instability, you need lift, you need moisture, and you need all these things to come together at the exact time to produce a tornado warning, or a flood warning, or a hurricane warning. So right now, we're just watching. We have all of our ingredients. So let's get a little fast, and we're gonna put all of our ingredients together, okay? How many eggs? 1, and count, 2, and then 3. Okay, then we put our oil in. Good job. Our water. Ready? Can you help? Good job, Tico. So now we gotta put it in the oven, right? So we're gonna let it bake. So all the ingredients are coming together. It's kind of like watching everything that we have in the atmosphere moving together. And then when it all comes out, we have our cake. But this is yummy and good. A tornado warning means it is time. All the ingredients have come together and you've got to get to your safe place. So this is a yummy way to understand the difference between a watch where you have all those ingredients. They all have to come together just perfectly to make the warning. You gonna have another bite? Another way to remember this, if you remember as a child, your mother going, "This is your final warning." Also another great way, because it's warning, get your act together, get to your safe place, and stay safe. If you've got any weather questions or not, just send them over my way, because I'm glad you asked. Nikki-Dee.ray@newschannel5.com. Have a bite? Thank you.